Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods 3rd generation lightning case. Here it says AirPods 3rd generation, and this is for my dad.
My previous ones were what? The old one?
Yeah, the first generation AirPods. So now let's unbox these. Yep. Signed by Apple in California, and the new AirPods.
They look quite different
than
these ones.
Yeah, so the case shape is different. So the old one was like a vertical case, and the new one is the horizontal rectangle rather than the vertical one. Let's open this up.
Yeah.
There we go, the new ones.
Whoa. Can you take them out? Take one of them out? Quite different.
Yeah, so the new one is in my hand. It has a shorter stem. So this part, so this long part is shorter than the old one.
Oh.
And also the main ear part is also a little bit bigger, the part which goes in your ear.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. So it's going to be a different experience using these.
Yeah, they're right now in pairing mode, so
we've got to pair them.
Yep.
Up and use.
Yeah, pair and use. Thank you for watching this video of me and my dad unboxing the new AirPods, unboxing the AirPods 3rd generation. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you. Bye.